In the following years, Musk invested at least $180 million into different startups. This included a $100 million investment in SpaceX, a $70 million investment in Tesla, and a $10 million investment in SolarCity. These have paid Musk incredible dividends in the past few years, and he has climbed to the top of the wealth ladder. Naturally, his incredible wealth has attracted a lot of interest on Wall Street, where market experts are studying his investment patterns in hopes of figuring out the winning formula or methodology. The companies listed below were picked from a careful assessment of the investment history of Elon Musk. OpenAI is a research laboratory that focuses on artificial intelligence, AI. The firm, considered a competitor to DeepMind, an AI initiative of Google parent Alphabet, is based in San Francisco. Musk was one of the earliest funders of the company, pledging $1 billion to it when it was founded in 2015 alongside Sam Altman and Ilya Sutskever. In 2019, OpenAI received a $1 billion grant from tech giant Microsoft as well. Musk, who had served on the board of the firm since it was founded, resigned in 2018 but continues to play an advisory role at the firm. Musk, while announcing his resignation, cited potential conflicts of interest as OpenAI and Tesla were both working on AI initiatives. Up until 2019, OpenAI had been a nonprofit. After receiving the Microsoft funding, however, the firm turned the business model around and became a for-profit firm. It also announced the commercial licensing of the technologies it had developed. Elon Musk has publicly criticized the OpenAI deal with Microsoft, noting in a September 2020 tweet that OpenAI had been captured by Microsoft. In this article, we discuss 10 biggest investments in the Elon Musk portfolio. If you want to read about some investments in the Musk portfolio, go directly to Elon Musk's portfolio, 5 biggest investments. Elon Musk is the richest man in the world with a personal net worth of over $270 billion. Musk owns a 17% stake in electric vehicle maker Tesla Incorporated, NASDAQ, TSLA, worth more than $140 billion. He is also the owner of prominent startups like SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. SpaceX is valued at over $100 billion, Neuralink is worth $1 billion, and The Boring Company is worth more than $5 billion. Musk became the richest person in the world in early 2021 and has held the title since. Apart from being the CEO of Tesla Incorporated, NASDAQ, TSLA, Musk has also made huge investments in PayPal Holdings and Twitter Incorporated, NYSE, TWTR, over the years. Recently, he has been the subject of controversy after making a takeover bid for Twitter Incorporated, NYSE, TWTR, that experts around the world have dismissed as arrogant and nonsensical. For example, Jim Cramer, a former hedge fund manager and host of Mad Money on CNBC, noted in a recent interview that the Twitter Incorporated, NYSE, TWTR, board has no choice but to reject the offer made by Musk in light of their fiduciary responsibilities. Musk was born in South Africa but moved to Canada for university education. From there, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, earning an undergraduate degree in physics and economics. He enrolled in a postgraduate program at Stanford University afterwards but deferred attendance in favor of his business activities. He launched Zip2, an online navigation service, before selling it and using the proceeds to fund another startup investment. Musk became a big backer of Tesla Incorporated, NASDAQ, TSLA, in 2004 through a private investment. Later, he joined the company as a board member and was promoted to the CEO position in 2008. In the years since, he has also launched other billion-dollar startups like SpaceX and Neuralink. As the share price of the EV maker has soared in recent months, so has the personal fortune of Musk. In November 2021, as the EV maker topped $1 trillion in market capitalization, the personal wealth of Musk was estimated to be at $340 billion at one point. Career trajectory: $28,000 to $270 billion. Musk dropped out of Stanford in 1995 and started Zip2 with $28,000 in borrowed money from his father. Merely 4 years later, He had sold this firm in a deal worth $307 million to computer firm Compaq. Musk earned close to $22 million from the sale. Flush from success, Musk invested $10 million from this money into a new venture named X.com. This was merged with Confinity and later became PayPal. In 2002, eBay purchased PayPal. Musk made more than $100 million from this sale.